So today we're having a look at the Wurth Rivet Nut Thread Setter Kit. It does sizes from an M4 to an M12 rivet nut. You firstly take the mandrel for the size that you would like to use, insert it through the plier and secure the nose piece onto the plier. Then you insert the rivet nut. Very importantly, ensure that 2 turns of thread are visible. Ensure the switch is facing upwards and that your depth gauge is showing 0. You are now ready to begin to ratchet your rivet nut into your desired application. Rivet nuts can be used for many applications where you would like a permanent threaded option, such as structural repairs, chassis work, canopy work. The tension will start to increase when the rivet nut is almost done. Change your switch direction down and undo the plier handle and undo the mandrel. And there is the secured rivet nut. Very importantly, return your depth gauge on your plier to 0 so that you are ready to begin again.